Jaw-dropping and alarming may well define the World Health Organization's pronouncement of nearly a quarter of all Filipinos being overweight or obese, an indication that over 27 million Filipinos overeat, are obese, and on track for a short lifespan with a range of deadly diseases associated with poor nutrition and obesity along the way that our Noel Talakay details in his report.
Ngayon pa namang buwan na ito, buwan ng Hulyo ay National Nutrition Month, no? Ang dapat pinag-uusapan, hindi mukbang, kundi pinggan.
This is the plea of the Department of Health to the public, especially to social media content creators, since July is celebrating Nutrition Month. His call came in following the incident of one food vlogger from Iligan named Don Zapatan died of a heart attack, and it was associated to his mukbang content or overeating while taking videos. Domingo says that this month is very timely to talk about balanced diet or balanced food intake, which he called it as Pinggang Pinoy, one of the programs of the Health Department promoting healthy food intake and good nutrition.
Pinggang Pinoy, no? Yung ating hatian na pag yung plato, kalahati nun ay prutas at gulay, ang isang kapat ay ang ating carbohydrates or kanin, tapos yung isang kapat ay yung ating grow foods o yung mga karne at taba. Dapat siguro yun ang binavlog natin.
According to the data of the DOST FNRI, 13% of adolescents in the country aged 10 to 19 years old have body mass index more than their age. Thus, 1 of 10 adolescents is overweight and obese. The World Health Organization, or WHO, also said around 27 million Filipinos belong or fall under overweight and obese category.
At kung hindi lang isang plato ay nag-take 2, 3, 4, 5 pa tayo, baka mapunta nga ho tayo sa overeating, which can lead to non-communicable diseases like obesity na later on atake sa puso, diabetes at iba pa.
He added that too much eating might also result in mental issues.
Una ay sobra-sobrang pagkain po yun. Ang tiyan po natin may hangganan. Ikalawa, baka meron siyang epekto sa ating mental health. May mga body image issues.
The Department of Health is reminding the public that everything is good if taken or practiced in moderation. Noel Talakay from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.